going to give you about 30 seconds. You're going to look at the picture. You're going to come up with a claim. There's a sentence starter there if you need it. I think that. So looking at the picture, what do you think? And then your support, because what do you see in the picture to give you that claim? And then what's a question you have about it? Don't write anything on that paper yet. Okay, so I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Just look at the picture up front. You're going to give me a claim, your support, and then a question. Nope, you're not writing it down. You're just thinking about it in your head right now. You can actually think of it as you write, as you're looking at it. Even after somebody shares one, it might help you if you're a little confused on it. All right, who would like to share? What's a claim you can make about this picture, this person? Yes, sir. What's your claim? Huh?
I wonder who painted it.
Well, give me your claim first.
Oh.
What claim can you make about that painting or that person?
I think it is Chinese woman.
Okay, and what support?
Because
What do you see that makes you say that?
the fan maybe.
Okay, the band. And what question do you have about it?
I wonder who painted it.
Okay, that's a good one. All right. Nope, I'm gonna come back to you because you're like a pro. You've probably done this a lot.
Everything
I'm gonna
fast.
come back to you. Yes, sir. I'm getting different ones. What's your claim?
I think she's tired.
So you think she's tired. What do you see that gives you that claim?
She's like laying there and she looks like, I don't know, she looks like worn out, I guess. I don't know.
Okay. How's her posture? Does it look like somebody who's up and alert?
Yeah, she's like slumped down.
Okay, so there you go. You're pulling out that detail of what you see. And what's your question about it? What do you wonder about that?
The book she's reading.
What book is she reading? That's okay. I might, for yours, just based on your claim and your support, I might have said, why is she tired? What made her tired? Because you think she's tired. What made her tired? What did she do to make her tired? That could be a question for yours. All right, one more. So I'm going to kind of model this one. So I'm looking at this picture. I notice the points if I look. I see there's hours spent studying on the bottom on the x-axis, score on the final exam on the y-axis. I noticed that at 1 hour of studying, somebody got a 50. 2 hours, somebody got a 65 and a 70. 3 hours, somebody got a 60. And I keep looking at it and I start to notice that I think that what is happening there? What is happening there? Okay, so the amount, I'm going to say as the amount of hours increase, what's happening?
The
Go ahead.
grades are increasing.
He helped you.
Sorry.
That's okay. The grades are increasing. So what support do I have? Well, this is where, I can't write and talk at the same time. This is where I have to get a little bit more specific. Just like with that picture, when I said, well, Mr. Haley had said something about the fact that, well, the way she's sitting in the chair. Well, that's not real specific. I could sit in a chair straight up tall. That doesn't mean I'm tired. So how do I know specifically that as these hours are increasing, the grades are? Well, let me pick one. So let's start. So 1 hour of studying, they got a 50. Well, that doesn't show that it's increasing yet. That just tells me 1 hour of studying was a 50. What shows it was increasing? Well, let's go to another hour. Let's pick just 8. So 8 hours of studying, how much did somebody get? Looks very close to 100. So I could pick either 85 or I could pick 95, either one. So let's go with, and 8 hours of studying. Earned, I'm gonna go with the 99. I like the higher one. So does that show to somebody, if they pick this up, how they're increasing? I see numbers increasing. 1 hour studying, 8 hours studying. So from 1 to 8, it increased. 50 to 99. So I've just proven with my support, my claim. So what question might I have? Maybe I want to say, what would happen if I studied for 10 hours? Or what would the grade be if I studied for 10 hours? Or if somebody, it may not be me. And maybe I could ask, what happens if I study for like 2.5 hours? Anybody have a prediction on what might happen if I study for 2.5 hours? Based on those statements? Up front for me.
It'd be a little bit lower than most people who study for more.
Okay, be a little bit lower. Could I figure out an exact number about? An approximate number?
Like 68.
How'd you figure that one?
I just quickly averaged
Oh,
from like 65 to 70.
okay, so you did a quick average. That's a good one. Or I could look at the graph and kind of do it if I wasn't as smart. Wow, you got it. All right, let's flip it to the back one, because this is the one that kind of misses. Smith said, we didn't really get to that yet.